Hey, are you looking for more affiliate programs? Do you want to further grow your affiliate marketing business? Do you want more freedom? Well, in this video, you will learn about the top 5 affiliate programs for 2020. And if you stay till the end, you will get a bonus that will show you how to promote any product or service with ease. But in order for that to work, you must subscribe to this channel first. Did I mention that you'll win a free pizza? Or wait, scratch that. There will be free lobster. Yeah, that's more like it. Alright, all jokes aside, let's dive in. So the first affiliate program in this list is called Digi Store 24, and let me ask you a question. Are you familiar with ClickBank? Are you familiar with JVZoo or Warrior Plus? If so, then Digi Store 24 would be a great option to consider checking out. So this is very similar to ClickBank in the fact that they have lots of digital products, and this one is a bit of a newer affiliate program. They've just recently expanded into the US. But if we go over into Marketplace right here, this will bring up a list of products that they have in various different niches, and again, it's primarily digital products, so it's products ranging from computer and internet, business and investment, email marketing, dating, education, family and kids. They got the health and fitness niche, they've got green products, there is personal development, photography. There's a whole bunch of niches that they have, and that's pretty much what they primarily have there. They also have some other things here like events, seminars, services, and physical products, but in this case, their main focus is, of course, with digital products. Now, the benefit with digital products is that the commission rates tend to be a lot higher. So, for example, if we go into the internet marketing and e-business niche right here, there's this one product right here called Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System, and this product right here, if for one single sale of this, you get a 50% commission, and that would be a commission of $646.45 that you get with just one sale alone. Now think about it like this, right? What if you can make one sale of this every week, or perhaps, maybe even twice a week? Would that make a difference in your life? I'm sure $646, per sale would make a huge difference for a lot of people. But if you want to promote this product, all you'd have to do is click on the Promote Now button, and it'll of course give you your own affiliate link. In this case, I'm not currently signed into my account, so it's asking me to sign in. But when you have your account, then you could decide to promote anything that is on this marketplace right here. And the benefit with Digistore 24 is you can get paid from direct deposit. You could also get paid via check in the mail as well as through PayPal. So I know PayPal for a lot of people is a much easier way, of course, getting paid out. So if you want to get paid through PayPal, Digistore 24 is a great option to consider checking out. And also another thing to consider is that this program is available worldwide. So anywhere that you are in the world, USA, Canada, Australia, Germany, anywhere you are in the world, Digistore 24 should be available in your country. So I know for a lot of people, ClickBank is not available. It's restricted in some cases, but if you're looking for an alternative, Digistore 24 would be a great option to consider checking out. So they've got tons of different products you could check out. Of course, they're not as big as ClickBank since they haven't been around as long, but they are continuing to expand over the next few years. And I believe that eventually it will begin to maybe even surpass ClickBank. I'm hoping that it actually does. But let's move on to the next one, which is called Fiverr Affiliates. Now, did you know that Fiverr actually has their own affiliate program? In my case, I actually didn't even know about this, and this is one that not many people are talking about. But what you could do is you could recommend Fiverr to your audience, and if they buy anything from Fiverr, you get paid a commission. So this pretty much is the site where you, of course, get signed up. You could click this button to, of course, get signed up. But if you want to promote Fiverr, to give you an idea in terms of what type of commissions that they pay, if we go over to see commissions right here, this shows that it pays anywhere from $15 to $50 per CPA. So this is if you get someone, a first-time buyer inside of Fiverr, you get anywhere from $15 over to $50. And I guess it really depends on in terms of what they actually purchase, depending on the gig that they buy, and of course the plan that they choose. But this I'd say is a pretty good commission that you of course get. And they also have this Fiverr hybrid thing where it's like $10 CPA plus 10% rev share. So fixed CPA per first time purchase, and rev share for 12 months. And then down here it shows more things you could promote. So if you promote a Fiverr Pro package and someone decides to buy a Fiverr Pro package from your link, you get a $150 commission, which I'd say if you can get one sale of this per day, that would easily be a full-time income for a lot of people. They also have this Learn from Fiverr, which is their courses that they have. So if you promote a Fiverr course, you get 30% commission on whatever course it is that they buy. And there's also this &Co thing, which I'm not really sure what that is, but again, they've got the Fiverr services, pretty much all the different things that they have, and it goes over exactly what you could expect to make with these different services that they have. So any of these services right here will pay you a $50 commission. Any of these will pay you $40, $30, so on and so forth. So that's pretty much what the Fiverr affiliate program is all about. And the benefit with this affiliate program is that, with a lot of people, starting an online business nowadays, people are good at certain things and other things they would much rather outsource to someone else. So if you can promote this to your audience, and if they're interested in building an online business, this would be a great option, because a lot of people are looking to outsource certain things that they aren't necessarily good at. So Fiverr would be a great option to consider checking out for that. But let's move on to the next one, which is Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is a web hosting company. You've probably heard of them before. You could set up your own website with Bluehost. And in this case, it would cost around, $4 per month if you wanted to set up a website with Bluehost. And think about it like this, right? Every single business online, they need to have some sort of website. If they don't have a website, if they don't have a home on the internet, then they don't really have a business. I think Bill Gates even said something along the lines of like, if your business is not online, you don't have a business. So what you could do is you could promote Bluehost. If we go over to their affiliates section right here, this shows what you could of course expect to make. In this case, you could earn as little as $65 per qualified sign up. So think about it like this, right? To set up a Bluehost account, it would cost around like $4 a month, which really, when you think about it, isn't that much. But if you can get someone to set up a website through your Bluehost link, you get as little as $65. And this is on the absolute minimum side right here. So this is being super conservative, but let's say that they decide to go for like a higher package, then you could most likely get a lot more than $65. So this one is definitely a great option to consider checking out, especially nowadays when every business, they need to have a website of some sort. So if you want to promote this, you click on the sign up button, you fill out the basic information, and once you have your link, then you could decide to share it with people. You could even offer to build a website for a specific business if you see that they don't have a website, or if you find someone that is looking to have a website built, you could offer to build it for them for free. You just have them go through your link, and then you of course get paid that commission when they get signed up, and then you can of course build it out for them. So Bluehost is definitely a great option to consider checking out. But let's move on to the next one, which is called Mantracalm. Now, if you haven't heard of Mantracalm, Mantracalm is pretty much like an internet marketing launch calendar. So this pretty much lays out a bunch of information in terms of what products are currently being released to the marketplace. So currently right now, at the time that I'm filming this video, it is June 3rd of 2020. And it shows right here in about 2 days, there's going to be this product right here called Sushi Cake Agency, which will be priced at $47, and it'll pay a 50% commission. And there's tons of other products that'll be, of course, released later this month and next month, and so on and so forth. But what's really nice about Mantracalm is if you are someone who is completely brand new to affiliate marketing, if you haven't really had much success online, and let's say that you don't have a massive audience or like a massive budget to spend on advertising, this would be a great option to consider checking out, because you can promote products that have lots of people, of course, doing research about them. But since these are newer products, you have very little to no competition. So, for example, let's say that you wanted to promote this like Content Gorilla product right here. You wanted to check this out, and maybe you could, consider doing like a review of it. What you could do is you could check out their JV page right here, and this will bring up a page that'll pretty much go over exactly what it's all about right here. So in this case, they have like a video.
Hey there, welcome to this.
He's got like the gorilla mask on. I think that's pretty funny right there. Anyways, yeah, so this video pretty much explains what the product is going to be all about, gives you all the information that you need. In this case, it looks like you can get up to $144 per sale on a fully tested high converting funnel. So you get to, of course, use something that is proven in this case. And if you want to, of course, learn more, you just go through the entire page, look at what it's all about. They've got another video here that pretty much gives like a demo, it looks like. And in most cases with a lot of these products on Muncheye, they will have a section like this at the bottom where you could actually get in touch with one of the members here. So you could reach out to either of these guys on like Facebook or Skype. Doesn't look like they have it listed here for some reason, but you can go to Facebook, you could just type in their name and see if it comes up. If you find one of these guys on Facebook or Skype, you could reach out to them and just say something along the lines of, hey, I found your Content Gorilla product that you guys are releasing. I think it looks really awesome. Would you be open to providing you with a free review copy? And in many cases, a lot of these product owners will be open to providing you with a review copy where you could test out the product yourself, you can go through it, you could take time to learn more about what it's all about, and if you feel that it could help people, then you could decide to create a review. And in this case, you could either do like a written review if you have a website, or if you have a YouTube channel, you could do a video review. And one tool that you could actually use for this is called screencast-o-matic.com, and this is actually what I'm using to film this video right now. This is a screen recording tool where you could record your computer screen, and in this case you could just record yourself just going through the product, testing it out, explaining all the different features, the benefits, the pros and cons, and ultimately what the customer could get from buying that product right there. So you could do a simple video like that, pretty much going through it, and then at the end you give a call to action saying, if you of course want to check this out for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description, or if you're doing a written review, you could have a link in the article where someone can decide to check out that product right there. And if they decide to buy, then you of course get paid that commission. And again, the benefit with this is that with a lot of these products that have not been released yet, a lot of people are going to be doing lots of searching for them, because a lot of people are going to be interested. But since they're newer products, you don't have as much competition. So if you can get in front of an audience, that's doing a lot of research, then it's a great way to start getting sales in very quickly. So the number one affiliate program on this list is called Easy 1UP. And the reason why I highly recommend checking out Easy 1UP is because they have products ranging anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And the benefit with this program in particular, what I find is really unique about it, is that they pay full 100% commissions, and it's also instant. So let's say, for example, that you bring someone in and you sell this package right here, the Vertex Pro package. You actually do get a $1,000 commission on that product. And I know you might be thinking, wait a minute, how am I getting paid the full 100% commission? Like, isn't Easy 1UP, like, aren't they losing money with this? So that might be a bit confusing at first, but the way how this one works is that customers, they pay like a small admin fee in addition to the product fee. So for example, if you sell like the $25 package, they also have to pay a $5 admin fee, which would then go to Easy 1UP. And that is, of course, how Easy 1UP stays afloat. But if you want to, of course, check out Easy 1UP, then this is one I definitely recommend looking into. And again, they pay full 100% commissions. It's instant. You don't have to wait like months for commissions to be paid out. And that's pretty much what that goes over. And in fact, I even made a sale on this just recently. I made like a $25 commission, which I'll show you. So this right here is a $25 commission that I got to my PayPal account for the Elevation package. This is inside of Easy 1UP right here. And what's really nice about this is a instant commission that I got pretty much instantly inside of my PayPal account. So this I just got, I just happened to check my email one day. I was scrolling through and I found that I had made a $25 commission for Easy 1UP. And what's interesting about this is I wasn't really promoting Easy 1UP much as of late, but it is one that I'm actually looking to get into again and start promoting, because the idea of full 100% commissions and the fact that it's instant is I think really nice, and what makes Easy 1UP unique compared to a lot of other programs. So in this case, the products that you're of course getting, it offers digital marketing training. So it's training about how to build an online business, how to do network marketing, how to market on, with YouTube, how to do, different traffic secrets, email mastery. So it's a whole bunch of products like that. And of course, the higher package that you come in at, then the higher, the more training that you of course get, and of course the higher quality it is. But that is number one on this list. And as a bonus for sticking around all the way to the end, as a bonus, I have one called Passive Affiliate System right here. And Passive Affiliate System is actually a product that I just recently reviewed myself. If you want to check this out, my review that I did, I will be sure to include a card in the top right where you can of course check that out. But this is a training that shows you how to build a no-face YouTube channel that brings in $237 per day without showing your face. So if you ever wanted to grow a profitable YouTube channel, and let's say that you aren't like comfortable creating videos, you aren't comfortable getting on camera, this training is definitely one that I highly recommend checking out. And if you're looking to succeed with affiliate marketing in general, then I highly recommend leveraging a platform such as YouTube, where you could build up a following, you could build up an audience organically. And by having a YouTube channel, a profitable YouTube channel, you could actually use this strategy to market anything that you want. So let's say, for example, that you want to promote Easy One Up, or you want to promote Content Gorilla or Bluehost or any other affiliate program out there. You could use this strategy inside of this training to market any of those products. And again, this is a strategy that is proven to work. It's not your typical target long tail keywords type of YouTube training. There's a lot of YouTube courses that teach that, but this is actually different than what a lot of the other trainings teach. And to give you an idea, here are some results that a few members have had. So Chris just wanted to share some results in Word Truth. Proud to say I hit 5,000 subscribers with my YouTube channel, and that was primarily with this strategy right here. So commitment to YouTube, and then got the right training. And as you can see his growth right there. And here's a post from me that is actually featured on the Passive Affiliate site. Haven't been too active in the group lately, but thought I'd share something. I'm promoting the 4% challenge, as you probably know that. And I recently made my first 3 sales. This came in with a channel of under 300 subscribers. And as you can see, these are the commissions that I've, of course, made right there. So there's, my results right there. It's, Chris shared his results. And there's tons of people getting lots of results with this training right here. Now, the Passive Affiliate System currently at this time is priced at $297. That's a one-time price right there. And if you wanted to promote this is actually a product on ClickBank currently, and this will pay you a commission of $136.57 per single sale. So if you can get one sale of this product, per day, would that be enough to, create like a full-time income for you? I know for a lot of people that would be, great income right there. But what's nice about this one is that instead of sending people straight to the product, he has a webinar that is proven to work, that converts very well, and this pretty much does all the selling and explaining for you. So if you want to check this webinar out for yourself, this will show you how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. It's also going to show you how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face, and also how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. And this is known as the snowball method. So if you want to check out this training for yourself, I will have a link down below where you can check this training out. You just click on reserve my seat. You can decide to attend the training, and then that'll pretty much go over exactly what that's all about right there. But currently right now, I mentioned this is currently priced at $297, and this is soon going to be updated to Tube Takeoff 2.0. That's what the course is going to be renamed. It's going to be much more in-depth, and if you decide to enroll in this now, you'll get instant access to Tube Takeoff 2.0 at no additional cost. And one other thing that I want to mention is that this is currently priced at a massive discount. So once the course gets updated to Tube Takeoff 2.0, then it's going to cost a lot more than $297. I think it's going to be priced around $1,000 is from what I heard from the creator. But if you want to check this out for yourself, you can just click the second link down below, and then I'll take you over to this page where you could attend the free training, and that'll pretty much go over exactly what it's all about there. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you found lots of value here. Anyways, take care and see you in the training.